Oh, shame. Julius is a spokesperson for the poor people of South Africa. He says that the meeting that took place in Washington, it was the meeting of white against white, because our black ministers, they were so quiet, like as if they are not there. And he also said, how can Rupert tap the minister at the back for what? Listen to this and watch this video carefully. You'll understand why Malema has to say words like this.
I long told you, South Africa, that we are captured by Rupert, that our country is run by Rupert. How can a minister of international relations sit in a meeting? Oh, Mara, no, he's a good boy. He's a what is your problem? The whole Minister of International Relations goes and sits in a meeting that deals with international issues outside the country and never uttered a word. But businessmen, the golf players are speaking, but you, the politician, who's supposed to speak on those matters, you are quiet. Why do you still want to earn a salary after being quiet? Why can't we give this salary to those white people? Because they are the ones who are speaking there. All white people who were in that house from South Africa, all of them spoke. All of them, including John Steenhuisen. What gave them the ticket to speak on behalf of our country? It was their color. Only the color of their skin is the one that gave them permission to speak at the White House. Lamula was there. Kumbuzo was even worse.